Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining a clear goal and minimal constraints so the assistant can act immediately. Once done, pick the right model and access method, whether API, desktop app, or web UI, because interface affects speed and controls. Next, you craft a concise prompt template that sets role, context, required format, and one example of success to guide responses. Make sure to include non-functional constraints like tone and length. This first step lets you iterate quickly with useful outputs. Once you have initial outputs, refine the prompt and settings to improve precision and reliability. Change instructions, add positive and negative examples, and adjust randomness or token limits, because those tweaks change risk and creativity. Decompose harder tasks into smaller chained prompts or subroutines so the assistant handles one focused step at a time, then reassemble results. Make sure to validate outputs with simple automated checks and a quick human review to catch logic errors or to finish, lock down output formats with templates or schema so downstream tools parse reliably, and automate handoffs using scripts, webhooks, or task queues if you need scale. Once done, run final spot checks and create a rollback or human-in-the-loop step for critical outputs. If responses are off, reprompt with stricter constraints, request step-by-step reasoning, or provide corrected examples. This single troubleshooting move resolves most misinterpretations quickly without redeploying your whole workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.